concealer brush is used to apply makeup to conceal dark circles under the eye or blemishes anywhere on the face. Load both sides of the brush with concealer. Starting from the inner corner of the eye, sweep in a half-moon shape, only in the area that is dark. With a tapping motion, use a sponge to blend the concealer. To clean the brush, spray brush cleaner or a mixture of alcohol and water onto a tissue. On a flat surface, wipe the brush back and forth. Keep the brush flat, making sure not to bend the bristles. Repeat until all the pigment is left on the tissue. Be sure to properly store your brushes to ensure they last a long time.